Hello and welcome to this GetResponse landing page tutorial where you will learn how to get started with building a landing page on GetResponse in minutes. So at the end of this tutorial, you are going to be able to build your very first landing page using GetResponse, and I am going to show you step by step how to do that. This is what we are going to cover. First, we are going to get ourselves familiar with GetResponse and with landing pages in general. Then we are going to sign up for a GetResponse account and we're going to learn about navigating the whole dashboard. Next, we are going to build a simple landing page using one of the templates provided by GetResponse, and I'm going to include a walkthrough where I show you how to get the landing page template, how you can customize the design, and how you can fit it to what it is that you are selling. And then finally, we are going to cover the integration part. In other words, how you can connect the landing page to your forms, how you can connect it to your email lists so that you can send them emails after you have built it. So walk with me. But before we get started, welcome to this tutorial, and I am President Amonu, also known as Preno, and I'm the one anchoring this. You can follow me on Twitter at President Amonu. So first, GetResponse and landing pages. GetResponse is a popular email marketing platform, and they allow you to create landing pages. And a landing page is simply a standalone page, web page, designed to achieve a specific goal. So it's either to capture leads or to drive conversions. And almost every time, in fact, it is necessary that there must be a CTA in the landing page. So this here is GetResponse, the landing page of GetResponse. So GetResponse 2 uses a landing page, and we can see here the CTA is clear and direct. CTA here is create free account. That's the one in yellow, and on the top right we have two call to actions: log in if you already have an account, and then sign up for free. So using GetResponse as an example, we've been able to show what a landing page should look like and how it should be, and the goal of a landing page. Then this is GetResponse landing page creator. That's the landing page that sells, that welcomes people to use their landing page creator. So I believe that we are seeing again. We are learning more about GetResponse and we are learning more about landing pages. And here they have two call to actions: get started for free, or you can book a demo so that you learn how it is done. Alright, so the next thing is signing up with GetResponse and navigating the dashboard. I'm sure that if you are not new to the internet space, you have created multiple accounts on different platforms, on different websites before. For instance, you most likely have created a Gmail account, you most likely have created an X account, that's formerly Twitter, an Instagram account, a Facebook account, and the process of creating that account is similar with creating a GetResponse account, and we are going to cover it at the end of this short introduction. So you simply, first things first, there's the steps. You go to getresponse.com, you click on sign up for free, you fill in your details, you log into your account, and you explore the dashboard. Now there you can upgrade your GetResponse account, but for now we do not need that. So we'll start with a free account, and then later we upgrade. This shows the interface for the page, for signing up on GetResponse. This is how it looks like. But depending on when you are watching this tutorial, it could have changed because they are constantly updating their UI, their user interface, and trying to seek out ways to improve the page so that they get more people to sign up. But it generally consists of this: your full name, your email, your password, you create your account, you confirm your account. Now we are going to look at how to create a GetResponse account from scratch, right? From ground up. What you simply do is go to GetResponse.com. Now we are in GetResponse.com, and we click on sign up free. Enter our full name, Praise Namono, email. This is one of my emails. You can create a password, or you can use Google's suggest strong password and use it, and create free accounts. After creating the account, this pop-up comes up where we have to activate our account with the email that was sent to the email we provided, with the mail that was sent to the email we provided. So we can just simply go to Gmail from here. This should open our inbox. Here we are in our Gmail inbox, and the link has already filtered the search, so we just click on it here and activate my account. Next we set it up. The company name is optional. Country, I'm in Nigeria. Address, they want to ensure that our emails comply with anti-spam regulations and stuff. Zip code Lagos. Let's see. I believe we should be able to skip all this. Okay, we cannot skip this. So I'll just input my address. My phone number is optional. I can skip this, but now they want to verify, so I'm most likely going to blow it out. Let me get the verification code that was sent. After you have verified your phone number, this comes up. So here you have the option to take a shortcut to start your first campaign immediately. This is if you are familiar with other email marketing platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, you can do that. You can go on a tour to learn. You can send emails and all of that. But we're going to explore on our own now. One thing that is great about GetResponse is once you sign up for the account, they automatically give you a 30-day free trial, so you can use pro features for free 30 days, right? And then after 30 days, that's when you now upgrade. I mean, you can upgrade now if you want, but most times we just use the 30 days free plan. So this pop-up now is telling us to choose a plan to upgrade, but we're just going to explore the dashboard. Now quickly, we can see some of these widgets that are here on the dashboard. You can customize the widget. You can add new widgets as you want by just coming here to click and add. These are the widgets you can add so that it's easier for you to navigate to any page or any tool you want to use when you log in. And on this left side widget, you can see quick actions. You can edit this. You can edit this widget, add any quick action, any action that you want to add. For instance, let's add create website, apply, and then we see here we have this create website here. So that's how it works. Alternatively, if you do not want to use all of this, you can just come up here to these tools, and everything available to you will be here. And so you can come here, you see automate, you see your AI campaign, you see automation, autoresponders, and conversion funnel. This autoresponder is most likely going to be used a lot by you. Connect is where you have your integrations, your e-commerce tools, your web connect. To build visibility, we have our website builder. We have the landing pages, which we are specifically going to talk about in this training. So I believe this should have given you an overview of GetResponse, signing in and navigating the dashboard, especially when you want to search for a particular tool, right? And if you want to make changes to your profile, you can always come here to profile and manage your account. Next, we look at landing pages, building landing page and customizing your landing page so it fits your goals. GetResponse offers various templates for you to make and design your landing page, and it makes it easier, so you do not have to build it from scratch. You do not have to get someone to code it for you. You do not have to get a domain name. You do not have to get a hosting package. You do not have to get a content management system if you want to use something like WordPress or Wix. So you can just simply build it on landing page, build it on GetResponse. They host it for you, and you can share it, get leads, and email those leads that you get. So these are some tips you want to consider when you are choosing templates. First, you want to choose a template that aligns with your brand and your goals. You want to preview them before you select them to ensure that they fit your vision, right? Then on customizing, you want to keep the text concise and compelling. You want to use very high quality images, and you want to ensure all elements are aligned and spaced appropriately. You want to ensure that it looks good on desktop, looks good on tablet, and looks good on mobile. Very, very important. So this is one of the templates available on GetResponse. This is an example of an opt-in page, and so an opt-in page is simply a page that helps you get contact details of prospects so that they go from prospects to leads. And so this is an estate company, a real estate company, and they are capturing leads, and they've used GetResponse to build their site. And it's simple. This is the header, right? Put in your email address or book a visit. Then this is another example of a page, a template for a page on GetResponse, but this time it is a sales page. A sales page goes directly to make the sale. So this particular page, as we can see, is selling running gear. So you come here, you make your purchase, and you are done. GetResponse also provides that option for you. Then finally, we look at integration, because after you capture the leads, you want to ensure that you keep them, you store their names, their email addresses, and you are able to send them messages at later dates, so you can follow up on them and you can sell to them again and again. And to do that, we use forms and we use email marketing tools available in GetResponse, which is why this is good, because you are not leaving GetResponse at any time. You build the page in GetResponse, the forms are in GetResponse, and the tools for following up leads are also in GetResponse. Here's an example of a pop-up form. This particular one is the one GetResponse uses, and you can also use this on your own site. So you build a pop-up form and you hook visitors before they leave. So I got this particular one while I was about to click this X icon here. This came up, and I believe that does it. We are going to do a walkthrough the process. Alright, so I'm back in the dashboard, and now we want to build our first landing page in GetResponse. From the dashboard, we can come here to create landing page, or we can go up to the tools menu and then select it from the drop down menus there. So let's just come here, click create landing page, and after that we see this option. Either you want to use AI or a ready-made template to make it fast and easy, especially if you just want to build something very fast. Time is of the essence. we use the ready-made templates. And for this particular template, for this particular example, let's build something. Let's look for something in computer and electronics, beauty and fitness. Let's use this template, right? For this particular example, let's use this template. We'll wait for it to load up, and here we go. This is the page builder, the landing page builder, where you can build your landing page. And as we've mentioned before, your landing page has mostly one action that you want people to take. Now, from this you can add your title, that's your headline. You can add your subheading, and then you add your call to action. Say for instance, is health and beauty and fitness. So you have your headline prepared already. So you just come and you input it here. Perhaps you are selling, according to this picture, it's going to be a fitness plan. So it can be best fitness gym in Nigeria. Then you have your subheading, and you just simply edit it. That's how it is, right? You can come here, and if you want something other than just the generic click here, so you can add click. Sorry, it's from here that you edit the button text. Click here to a member, and it should automatically update at that point. Then it comes down, then you have your bullet points, right? You want to add your bullet points. You want to explain to them what they should get and all of that. And this particular part is why building it on GetResponse can be very important, because you have the opportunity to also capture leads, right? To integrate and then capture your leads. So if you come here, then you have the name of your sign-up form. You can call it fitness sign-up form, right? Your fields are already there. Your success view. After this form is submitted, do you want to have a thank you page? Do you want to show them a message and all of that? But one thing that is great about GetResponse is that they have a thank you page ready made for you already. So it's like you build this page and it automatically redirects to a pre-designed thank you page. Then the design, you can edit it, the labels, the field, the consent, and the button. You can also add block settings. Like I was saying, you have a thank you page for this, and how you can view your thank you page to edit it is you simply come up here, top left part of the menu, and you choose thank you page from this option, and then you see you have your thank you page here. You can be thank you, subscribing, or whatever message you want to pass across, and then include the next steps. You can edit any of this information. You can choose to delete this or put your own picture. You can choose to change the picture, replace the picture. A pop-up comes up. You can choose from Unsplash, right? They are integrated with Unsplash, so you can search pictures on Unsplash. They're absolutely free. Or you can add your files from your computer, right? Just simply click here, select. So for instance, let's say I want to add let me add this very nice photo I have. Add it. I particularly like this photo. The photo has been added. I am waiting for it to show up here. So we can just come here and click on use, and it will be updated. Yeah, and that's how it is. And we can scale it. You can scale it so it fits. If it's too big, if it's too small, depending on what you want. And you should be able to also crop it. Then if you have socials, you input them here. Like it's everything is editable and customizable, and you can easily make it fit what you sell. let's go back to our home page. Yep, this is our home page. And what we can do, if we've made our edits and we want to see how it looks like when, let's say, a particular prospect is looking at it, we come here over to this preview and we toggle. So here you can see how it looks. This is for someone who is visiting the site. You can see exactly how it looks. This is how it will look like for them, for those using desktop. And if you want to see how it will look for those using a mobile device, you simply click this icon here and it makes it responsive to a mobile device view, and yeah, we see how it is. And let's turn off it. Before we turn it off, we can look at this at the right. Now this would, toggling this would edit the mobile view, right, how we want it. But the reason why nothing is changing while we are sliding this back and forth, because there is no heading 1 tag here. But if we move this, you can see our header and our picture changes with the header. So it depends on what you want and your goals and how we're done with that. Let's switch back to this and let's turn off the next thing that we are going to do is automatically your work is saved, right? Your work is saved as you edit, so you do not always need to click on this save, right? It automatically saves it for you. The only time that I come here is when I want to go away and I want to be sure that it is saved. For instance, maybe there had been a network glitch. Next thing we'll do is click on continue. Now we want to publish it so that people can view the site live and register. We give it a name, fitness sites. We add the lists that we want them to be added to. Automatic. When you create an account, you have a list that is created using your email. So as you can see from here, we have Namon that has been created because that was what I used, right? This video does not cover list creation and manipulation, so I am not going to get into all of that. Do you want to send in an opt-in confirmation email? No, I do not. But if you want to, you can toggle this on and then create your confirmation email, but I do not. Want to add to an autoresponder cycle? Yes, we do. What does an autoresponder cycle do? It enables you to send the person pre-prepared emails over a period of time separated by an amount of time. I'm not going to cover that in this video because that is not the purpose of this video. For a fav icon, we're not going to bother about that. Cookie consent banner, please do not turn this on. Analytics and integration, we want to see our landing page statistics. For GetResponse charts, we do not necessarily need it, right? Because we do not want to have a chat icon. We do not want to have something like this. Okay, so web push notification, no. Business information, we have already put it previously. Whether or not we need to update it, now I'm not updating it. Continue. Now here's the part that is very nice, because we get a free domain, a free GetResponse domain, right? So the landing page name is fitness website. Now we can edit this one. You can call it anything you want. I'm just going to leave it as fitness website, and you can choose the longer version or you can choose the shorter version. And if you already have an existing domain, you can connect your domain to it, and it will most likely involve you updating your DNS settings, that's your domain name server settings, using your cPanel in your cPanel. Or you can buy a new domain with GetResponse and they will automatically connect it for you. But to do that, we need to upgrade the account, but we're not going to do that. We're not going to also connect an existing domain that we already have, because that's not the purpose. We're just going to go ahead and click on publish, and after we publish, we are going to view a site. So our site is published, and this is our link. So we right click on it, open a new tab. Let's see how it looks like. Exactly, is what we designed, and you literally send this out to your prospect. You can use it in your Facebook ads, you can use it in your marketing, and use it to get leads, use it to sell, and use it for whatever marketing purpose that you want to do with GetResponse. I believe this has been highly beneficial to you, and I hope that you can now see how you can build pages using GetResponse.